Hi all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm sharing with you the preview of my first ever English spelling rules ebook. It's a guide for teachers and parents to teach English spellings logically. Let's have a quick look inside the book. The first thing is acknowledgement, and I really acknowledge the people who have encouraged me to write this spelling rule book, especially my YouTube channel viewers. My most thanks to all of them. My most thanks to all of you. I really mean it. Let's have a look at the table of contents. Here have 27 contents on page number 1 and then a few more on the second page. Moving on to look what how I have designed the pages. So I have divided each and every rule into small bits so it get easier for you to absorb them. The rule is here, some examples, rules and examples. Then move. I have also put this heading points to remember. Here you will find if we have some exceptions to any rule and if the rule needs some what do I say, more explanation about something, right? So you will get them in points to remember. Then you will find an infographic with each and every rule. I have tried to give an infographic so you just look at it and recall that what does the rule say. The next thing is these two links. You will find these links at the end of each and every rule. If you click on the worksheets website link, you will land on the website. You can go there, download the free worksheets and work on them, and this will lead you to the YouTube video of the respective rule. So you can go there, watch the tutorial or how I explain, because if you hear something from a teacher, it helps you understand the concept a bit better, right? So you will have similar pages with all the rules. The rules are mentioned in the content table of content. You can just have a look there again. There's one thing more that I want to share with you in case these links are not working. It shouldn't happen, but if this happens, so what you need to do, you need to go to the end of the ebook and there you will find the QR codes. If you scan these QR codes, you will go to the website and you will also land on the YouTube channel. So this is for video, this one is for video, and this one is for the worksheets. Scan them and land on the destination that you want. So that's all. I have tried my level best. I hope you will find this book useful and helpful. You will buy it, you will share the feedback with me. If you want to buy the paperback edition, so it's in process, it's under review. Once it's uploaded, I will give you the information and you can buy the paperback version as well. So that's all from my side today. I'm eagerly waiting for your comments, for your feedback. Hope to see you again soon. Take care and don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.